We today discussing about the problems of electric potential and capacitance. We know already the previous we discussing about of the potential and capacitance. Now today we discussing about the problems. The first question number 1. Two parallel plates are, so this is the two parallel plates. The separated by the distance d is equal to given 0.03 meters. The electric field intensity between this is the electric field is between E is equal to is given 3000 Newton per Coulomb. The calculate the potential. What is the calculate the potential between the two plates? We know the formula. The potential is equal. Potential V is equal to electric field into distance. Electric field into distance. Electric field, how much is there here? 3000 into distance 0.03. That is equal to 90 volt. How much is there here? 90 volt. So next question number 4. An infinite number of electric charges the equal to the 2 nanocoulombs. The Q is equal to how much here? 2 nanocoulombs. 2 nanocoulombs is given by the. See, the nano is converted to the meter. 2 into 10 power of minus 9 meter. Okay, there is a Q is equal. The magnitude of place is the x-axis. X is equal to 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 27 centimeters, and so on. In this setup, if the conjugate charges having opposite side, the conjugate charges are opposite side is nothing but take here the x-axis, and it is considered the y-axis. See, initial is 0. This is the x position is equal to 0. After x is equal, it is given by the 1 centimeter, and next is given by the 3 centimeters, and next is equal is given by the 9 centimeters, and 27 centimeters, and so on. Here the conjugate charges is centimeters, nothing but it is the positive, it is the negative, positive, negative. This alternate is given by the opposite of signs is given by the. Then find out the electric potential. What we can find the electric potential. Electric potential at origin. At origin. How much? See, we know the electric potential is 1 centimeter, electric potential is 3 centimeter, electric potential is 9 centimeter, electric potential is 27 centimeter. That means we say the net electric potential is equal to V1 plus V2. The 1 centimeter with respect to V1 and 3 centimeter with V2 and V3 plus and so on. See, electric potential. What is the formula of the electric potential? See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. Right here the V net is equal to. So first one V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R2 plus and so on. But here the conjugate charges means the plus is converted to the minus. Next plus and after that is a minus. Take here the common. Q by 4 pi epsilon will be take the common. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 minus 1 by R4 plus and so on. Right here the R1, how much is it? 1 centimeter. R2 3 centimeter. Now can write here the Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 minus plus 1 by 9 minus 27 plus and so on. Here the centimeter is converted to meter into 1 by 10 power of minus 2 meters. Write the GP, the geometry of progressive, that is the value is equal to A by 1 minus R. See, A is equal to 1 by R is equal to minus of 1 by 3. See, minus into minus plus, we can write here the 4 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 4. It is the GP in progressive of this all values. Right here the Q is equal to how much is given by the 2 into 10 power of minus 9 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 9 into 10 10 power of 9 into, what is the value there here? 3 by 4. R is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 10 power of minus 2. Then we have the calculation. This is the potential at origin. The potential at origin 1350 volts. So this is the answer for this one. Volt. So next question number 10. Question number 10. The variation of electric potential with distance d from the fixed point that shown in a figure. See, the from the fixed point is nothing but x-axis and y-axis. See, along the x-axis we are taken by the distance. What is taken by the distance? And y-axis take the potential. Here the graph, this is the curve is given. Now, see, year to year can be increasing. This is 0. Now, where will be increasing? This point is given by the 2. And where will be, say, start is the constant with 2 to 4, and the 4 to 6 can be decreasing. And it will be there the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And this is the potential. We know the formula for the other electric potential. That is, say, the V is equal to minus dV by dx. dV by dx. That is equal to, we can write V is equal to potential, the change in potential V2 minus V1 by change in distance, that is equal to x2 minus x1, that is equal to V2. V2 is nothing but here say the minus here taken by the V1 minus of V2 by x2 minus x1. The minus can be multiplied here. Then we can write here the V1 is starting at the 0 minus V2 is equal to 5 divided by x2. x2 is equal to how much is there here the 4. Okay, x2 is equal to is taken by the 6, x1 is equal to is taken by the 4. That is equal to minus 5 by 2, that is equal to minus 2.5 volt per meter. Next question number 16. The electric intensity due to dipole length is 10 cm. Due to dipole length, dipole is nothing but it is the positive charge, it is the negative charge. Its length is given. How much is given by the other? 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now the charge, each charge is given by the Q is equal to the positive charge and negative charge is given by the 500 microcoulomb, that is equal to 500 into 10 power of minus 6 coulomb. Now at a point on the axis, the center point is O. The axis is nothing but here take the P point, is the distance of small r. See, this is the A point, this is the B point, the center is the O. The axis, the distance of 20 cm. This r is equal to how much is given by the 20 cm. That is equal to 20 into 10 power of minus 2 meters. From the charges in the A, see, find the electric intensity. The electric intensity at an axial line. What is the formula is there? There is a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 r by r square minus a square whole square. So this is the formula for the electric intensity of axial line. Now you can write here the substitute of the value. The 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, what is that? This is 9 into 10 power of 9 into 2. P is equal, what we can do the electric dipole moment 2A into Q. Now can write here the 2A into Q into R divided by R square minus A square whole square. Then we can write here the 9 into 10 power of 9, 2 into 2A distance how much is there? The dipole of the distance 2A is equal to 10 cm. Right? The 10 into 10 power of minus 2 into Q. Q is nothing but charge. Charge how much is given? 500 into 10 power of minus 6 into, what is there? The R. R is nothing but at a O point to P point. It is given by the 20 into 10 power of minus 2 divided by R square. R square is equal to 20 into 10 power of minus 2 whole square minus A square. A is nothing but the distance between the A to B A2B or O2B. That is, the total will be the 10. The exact midpoint of the half is nothing but 5. 5 into 10 power of minus 2 whole square and whole square. Then we are the calculation. This is getting we are the answer 6.25 into 10 power of 7 nano per coulomb. This is the intensity of electric field. So next is the question number 21. Question number 21. 2 point charges minus q and plus q are at the points of 0, 0 minus a and 0, 0 a respectively. The electric potential 0, 0 h. See here, this is considered the z axis. It is considered the x axis. The y axis we consider the outward. Y axis considering outside. Now because of here given the points along the z axis, that's why taking the z axis. The center is an O. So two charges are placed. Here is the place of the minus q charge. Here we can be placed of the positive charge. The two charges. Okay, next, here the distance of minus a, another one is the plus a, respectively. Now we consider the charge. Here we consider by the q. What is considered the charge is placed under the q. Now we can find out the electric field at the minus q and q. Now here to here the distance. Here to here distance, that is equal to consider z plus a, because of distance is z and this point is ZA. And the positive charge and my 2 is the distance is considered Z minus A. Then find out the electric field. See, we know the electric potential. Electric potential, what is the formula? V is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2 is equal to V1 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by V1. See, the V1 is nothing but the charge of here 2. How much are it? Z plus A plus V2. So V2 is equal to consider 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by Z minus A. Z minus A. Now we take the LCM. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, we will take the LCM. Okay, 1 by Z plus A minus 1 plus Z minus A. See here, actually this is the V1, this is considered the V2. The V1 is equal to Z minus, okay, Z plus A and Z minus A. See here, consider the limit. Take here that we can solve. Here the cross multiplication, take in the LCM. We are getting the formula is here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2QA by Z square minus A square. See, this is the, we take the between is the minus. It is just like of a axial line of equation a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square whole square the formula. We can substitute. We are getting up. This is the answer. This is the question number 21. Next is the question number 26. Two concentrating metallic shells. Two concentrating metallic shells is nothing but this is the one of the shell is concentrating the another shell. This is two shells, and the first shell is connected to a ground. First shell is connected to a ground. Now this is centered to the first shell having the distance is R1, and second shell having the distance is R2. R2. The two outs of the sphere, the inner surface is ground, the charge on the inner surface. The charge on the inner surface is the Q dash and outer surface of the charge is considered Q. Then when the first inner surface is connected to the ground is nothing but its potential. The inner surface of the potential is equal to 0 because of it's connected to the ground. Connected to the ground. Therefore, we can write here the potential. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. The second charge, how much is Q by the distance of R2 plus Q dash, this charge by R1 is equal to 0. Then this total term is taken side. The 0 into something 0. Then Q by R2 plus Q dash by R1 is equal to 0. See what we can find the inner charge. The Q dash we can find out. Q dash we can be find out. The remaining term. This term is taken this side. So we can write here the Q dash by R1 is equal to minus Q by R2. This R1 is taken this side. Q dash is equal to minus R1 by R2 into Q. See, this is the inner charge of a sphere. The Q dash is equal to minus R1 by R2 into Q.